Hi, this is Angeline here. Welcome to another brand new crafty video with Unity Stamp. Today I'm going to be showing you how to watercolor in this beautiful mermaid by Unity. I've already stamped her on some white cardstock here, and I'm going to be playing with my brand new watercolors from Jane Davenport today, which is the Bright palette. Just check out how bright and fun the colors are. So I'm starting off with the light blue here, which is called the 70s eyeshadow. And then I'm moving on to the color Gemini, which is light green. And for the shadows, I'm adding the color Mermaid. So if you're just starting off watercoloring, you're wondering how to select your colors so that it doesn't turn into mud, which is this ugly brown color. So the best thing is to stick to the same color family and you won't go wrong. Another tip is that if you want to add more colors to the parts that you've already painted, make sure that the layer is dry before you add more colors, or else the colors will kind of mix and spill together. But if that is the effect that you're looking for, just paint your heart out and have fun. So next I'm going to color in her skin, which this palette does not have any oranges. So the great thing about watercolors is you can mix colors. So I mixed yellow and red to get this really nice orangey color. So I decided to just draw in some waves behind her. It doesn't need to be like perfect. It's kind of doodly and sketchy. So I'm just choosing different colors of blues here. And then I'm just splashing some greens as some water drops. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!